When your company formally decides to implement the system with Asprova, purchase the licenses for the required modules. Please refer to modules and options about the details for the modules. In addition, organize a project team for its implementation. In most cases, the team should consist of one person responsible for the whole project and 2 or more implementers. For the people in charge of the actual implementation, please assign 1 or more people from your manufacturing site and 1 or more people from your information systems department. People from the manufacturing site know well about the scheduling requirements. At the same time, people of information systems department are well experienced in system requirements. So, to ensure a smooth and successful implementation, it is very important to share the professional backgrounds and knowledge between the team members. It takes 3 to 6 months to complete the implementation of a project in most cases. It is an example of the required work during the implementation of a scheduling system for specific production. At first, according to the verification results for the prototype, please define the requirements and system coverage they provide. Please refine the requirements definition and make a fit and gap analysis for the scheduling requirements for each operation. The purpose is to sort out the priorities and corresponding actions. With respect to the scheduling requirements, in order to visualize your expectations, it is recommended to make a graphical representation for the assignment results. After that, please prepare the data. This step makes up most of the implementation in most cases. Delays may occur as it takes a lot of time for preparing if the accuracy of parameters measuring is low, for example, for the production capacities. In such cases, we recommend that you secure the accuracy to a certain level and improve it further during implementation. In addition, when constructing the scheduling parameters and implementing the scheduling logic, we recommend that you start with a small amount of data. If you start it with all the data at the very beginning, it will take a lot of time not only for preparing all the data, but also for identifying the bottlenecks. Please start it with the data from the prototype first and add to the amount gradually by 30%, 70%, and 100% of the total. Let's consider the manufacturing processes together with the study of related documentation, such as the various technology-related instructions. As it is often necessary to cooperate with external program systems with regards to data communications, to proceed with development of such new software, please specify the interfaces with them. Summarize the manufacturing methods in an operation manual. It is necessary to check each table to confirm whether we can smoothly input-output the data during testing. Let's prepare test samples for the system test and test the parallel operation. Besides the testing of the implementation of defined requirements, please test your specific scenarios, such as sudden changes of orders, etc. In particular, in most cases, rescheduling will be performed on a daily basis. So to simulate this, let's not forget to perform the transaction tests for the whole system. Make sure that problems do not occur in such cases as irregular changes of orders and master data, and also consider an execution time of scheduling. Provide training for your staff based on a study of the operation manuals. Check the operation manuals and add any missing parts. Upon the completion of the tests, stop the old system and officially launch the new system based on the Asprova scheduler. After official launch, Maintenance of the system is necessary in order to add or change the production items, manufacturing equipment, etc. Because of this, conclude a maintenance contract with the Asprova company in order to use Asprova for a long period of time. There are many specifics in every project implemented with Asprova, so I have only explained the common procedure. The scheduler is just a tool, and its essential task is to make a schedule fast. The effect will be different depending on the manner of implementation. To succeed in implementation, make sure that you have the correct definition of the requirements, the relevant prototype, and the proper test procedures.